Hey, it's Coffee Grind Gossip with Crystal, and it's money saving tip time. So let's get into it. So after 5 weeks of sitting, fermenting, here's the apple cider vinegar. Now what I'm going to do, I want to do a strength test. I'm going to combine this with a little bit of baking soda. I want to see if it's going to fizz like the original apple cider vinegar. So stay tuned. So I put a little baking soda in this glass, and this is my brag. So let me just do this testing first. I'm sure this is going to bubble up here. Okay. All right, now I'm going to pour this out in the sink. Now I want to see if my homemade apple cider vinegar mixed with the baking soda is going to do the same reaction. Now let's try this here. Yep, it sizzled. Yep. Okay, food jars. 90% of our food jars we buy, spaghetti sauce, jelly, any kind of sauces. Don't throw them away. Just reuse them, label them, and use them for storage bins, as you can see here. My mother gave me some of these jars. I always ask her if any sauce jars. I take them, clean them out, and just relabel them. And here, these are just from the Dollar Tree. I bought quite a bit of those. Put the seasons in there and label them as well. Real simple. Saves a lot of money. To make your home smell like a bakery, give it that good bakery smell, just take an old saucepan. I don't cook in this no more. I use this as my scent or diffuser, home diffuser. Boil 1 cup of water. Get 1 cinnamon stick. Add about maybe a half a teaspoon of vanilla. If you have any essential oil, I'll prefer the sweet orange. You can get this from Walmart. Add about a few drops of that. And or if you don't have cinnamon or don't like the smell of cinnamon, you can also use I'm going to use a couple of cloves. And once that all blends together, it gives your home a nice bakery smell. So once I turn the heat off, I put the lid on, wait about a couple of minutes. Then once I open the lid, and all the steam escapes, and it'll go throughout the house, make the house smell really nice. Okay, to make foot soak, you need Epsom salt. Doesn't matter what brand or where you get it, but this is from Walmart. Doesn't matter. Magnesium sulfate. These great benefits here. Baking soda. And if you want to use some essential oil, I choose to use essential oil because it smells so much nicer. And what I did, I took 1 cup of Epsom salt and about a half a cup of the baking soda. And once I blend them in, I just took a wooden spoon and blend everything in. Added the drops of oil, blended it very good all the way at the bottom. Make sure it's blended in pretty good. And once you do that, put your top on there, and you're ready to use it and get ready to soak your feet. And this jar is from, I want to say, I can't remember this might have been relish or pickle jar, I don't know, but save the jars. So that's your simple recipe for foot soak. All right, to make the laundry booster is very simple. Make sure you get some borax. Invest into a box of borax. Trust me, it's a box full of blessings when it's come to cleaning. Baking soda, of course, and me and my essential oil. Using lemongrass. I'm a big essential oil person, and don't ask me why, I just am. So only thing I did pretty much is added 1 cup, maybe a cup and a half, I believe, of the borax, and a half a cup of the baking soda, and about maybe, I believe I counted 10 drops of the lemongrass. Blend it all together, and even shook it up. Made my own label. Of course, this is a sauce glass that I save all the glasses. And there you have it, your laundry booster. Or if you also want to, you can also use this as a fabric softener. You put 1 spoon, I would recommend 1 tablespoon in the final rinse water, or what I do, because I can't catch the rinse water on time, I'll just put 2 spoons of it mixed in my when I do my laundry. It's supposed to help soften the fabric. All right, so there you have it. There's the recipe. Let me show it again. Remember, borax. It'll change your life, I guarantee.